All right, I'm gonna start. My name is Sean Connolly. I'm a college planning counselor here at MEFA, the Educational Financing Authority for the state. I'm gonna give you a little rundown of one of the features of MEFA Pathway, and that is the loan cost estimator. If you're unfamiliar with MEFA Pathway, it's just a destination for students and counselors to help plan their college and careers. And this one little instance, I think is a great tool and very helpful. So we'll get started. We're going from the student side. That's where you'll be able to see this. And on the student side, it's if you don't have an account, it's very easy to register. You just click register here. You fill out some basic info about yourself. You'll see that if you type in, you put in a town, we'll say Stoughton, the schools in Stoughton pop up. So that goes with any of the towns in Mass. And then after you submit, you just fill out a username and password and some security questions, and you'll be on your way. So we already have an account, so we'll start there. This is the test account that I'll give you at the end too, if you want to play around before making one. Just give it a moment while it loads. You'll see when it comes in, we'll land on the student dashboard. And there's a whole bunch of different features in here. With profiles and creating a resume, making a course plan, taking tests to know yourself, getting practice for standardized tests, setting your goals and strategies, making a college list, and down here you can see paying for college. We'll show you from this angle up here. All those tools that we just scrolled through down there are also up here on these tabs. We'll head over to pay for college. And under pay for college, there's more tabs. There's a scholarship search. There's a list of the scholarships you like. You can make a list for yourself. There's a college cost calculator, Massachusetts benefits, an EFC calculator, Mass state benefits, but we're going to go to the loan cost estimator. And this essentially helps you calculate how much it will cost to repay your loan. So it even shows you on your college list, it shows you your college cost gap totals. So you can see here, these are the schools that I have favorited as a student looking to go to college next year. And this is my, for the 4 years, this is how much I'm gonna owe to go to each school. So we'll pick Bridgewater State. That's also my alma mater. So we'll pick that. We'll do just one loan. The first year, we'll say it's $12,500. That's how much you need for the 4 years. But this is the freshman year. We'll do right now the Parent Plus federal loan is at 7%. And we'll make it a 15-year term loan. So now you can see down here, your estimated monthly payment is $112.35. After 15 years, the total amount you'll pay principal plus interest is $20,000. And of this amount, $7,000 of it will be interest. So it can really show the student, really give them an idea of the severity of a loan and what interest really, how it accrues and what it ends up being in the end. Then you can even show, can you afford your monthly loan payment based off the career you want? So you can go to the careers you've picked through the different tests you've taken through MEFA Pathway. And, let's just pick, just for the heck of it, dental hygienist. And so you can see that's the payment, that's your career, that's your salary. You can calculate your affordability. And so based on your monthly payment of $112.35 and a projected salary of $72,000, we estimate that your level of financial stress would be low. So you don't have a lot of financial worries, you'll be able to do that. Let's say, I don't even know, I did not know an acupuncturist would make that much money. But how about a curator? Still low. I'm trying to find a job, based off the top that might show an average stress or high stress and financially challenging based off your loan. But I'm sure if the loan were higher, so you can see, oh, if you wanted to go to Boston University, that's almost $140,000. That's a cost gap over 4 years. So that's $60,000 a year. So you can do that now. Well, that's sorry, 30,000 a year, 40,000 a year. That's 7%. Now your average estimated monthly payment is $359.53. That $40,000 loan becomes a $64,000 loan, and $24,000 of that is interest alone. So you can just show that's basically the whole loan cost estimator. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the question box on our screen. I'll give you. This is the test account login right here, mefapathway.org, and you just use the username jbento, and the password is jenben99. And if you have any questions or concerns, you can email Jennifer Bento Pinion. She's the program manager for MEFA Pathway. It's jbento@mefa.org. I'll leave it up on the screen for you. Please, if you enjoyed the webinar, and please leave your feedback. You can write down this link and leave us a Google review. That would be awesome. And like I said, my name is Sean Connolly, and thank you for joining this mini webinar about the loan cost estimator for MEFA Pathway. I'll wait a couple minutes to see if you have any questions as well. All right, thank you for your time.